So I got these small doors and the big doors. As you can see, it looks like two different types of wood. I'm going to take the brass hardware off, store it, and refinish the brass hardware later. But right now I'm going to try the heat gun on the insides of these doors to see how it takes the finish off and see what the wood looks like underneath the current finish. Okay, so here's the door. I'm obviously concerned about getting into there, and it looks like, I thought it was two different kinds of wood until I wiped it down. It may not be. There's a lot of dirt, and I'm pretty sure that's white epoxy paint overspray from when I did the windlass. That's the inside of the door though. I'm gonna try heat gun and scraper, and I know I'll end up sanding it, and these angled pieces in between, I'm gonna probably use a multi-tool sander because it'll be much faster than doing it by hand. From the back, this is what makes me think it's two different types of wood. And now that it's clean, I actually think it does look like two different types of wood. I guess we'll see after we start refinishing. So this was 80 grit sandpaper, random orbital sander, showing definitely two different types of wood. Well, at least definitely to me, I believe. Haven't done the bottom yet. You can see the difference. And that was like seriously 2 minutes, so they should come up pretty easy. I think I want to stain them teak, but I'm not sure what this will turn out like. So we'll see what happens. Final comparison. So I scraped and then sanded for a couple of minutes. And I can ignore that. It's just some sand from when I flipped it over with dust. Just the random orbital sander turned out like this. So those colors, pretty much the same. Is it faster this way? Yeah, I think so. So possibly heat scraping off the varnish, not really required in this case.